market is not the best as right now, but we have many updates to talk about. We got 2 allocation, we got a snapshot. So we decided we jump straight into the laptop. And the first thing is for all my American followers and users, this is a great exchange that works without KYC, available in the US if you want to trade, and it is the Wix exchange. Now you will find the link down below. And why do I like it? Well, first of all, no KYC needed. You deposit your funds and you're good to go. As we see here, I got open position and I also did some order history, as you see over here. Now, the cool thing about this is, and this is no financial advisor whatsoever, don't copy my trades, don't do anything that you see me doing over here. But I like this because you can really play. Like the leverage goes from 1% all the way to 400%. Now, 400% is a crazy one. And yes, as we see before, for example, we can go and open one now just for, just for the fun and to have a little bit of a laugh. But as we see over here, this is the Ethereum long that I have open. We can reverse it. So basically mean that it closes the position and then it goes to the other side. You can flash close if you want to, simply as soon as it is now. And we got $102. So I've done one before here, and this was 18 Ethereum in volume. This was a $200, $150, and I made $16. The one thing that you need to know when you trade with leverage, it doesn't matter. Here we got 400x short. I made profit. I made $16 profit. Great. The one thing that you need to keep in consideration when doing short is the fees that you get calculated. As we see here, I have done all of this, but I actually lost money on the trade because the fees were about $32. So I made 50% less than what I was supposed to do. So just for you to make sure, of course, the fees are less, the smaller the leverage is. But I like this exchange. They also have a few rewards for you. They got a giveaway of $1,000 if you go and sign up right now with the link down below. And then you have the possibility, of course, without the KYC, which is the best thing. So as it stands right now, I don't think I want to go and open a 400. And we will see the results of this longing or shorting position later or tomorrow in tomorrow's video. But as of right now, what can we go and do? Well, I think we can go and open a long position. And we can go and test out this, crazy over here. You simply put the leverage, you go up to 400x, and you're basically playing with 14 ETH. Of course, if I join now, the price needs to only go $2 under and I get liquidated if I open a long, or $2 upwards if I open a short and I get liquidated, which means that the margins that it's either you get it right or you lose your funds, which is extremely difficult. It is $100. So let's go and play, for example, with we can go and put a 20x, and we can go and put it on Ethereum. Absolutely yes, as we see over here, it shows all the credentials. But there's also the nice thing that you can go, for example, with all the new one, with the meme coin, for example. I believe there are here Daddy, for example, meme coins like this that can go, can go up, can go down. You have, for example, broccoli. You have all of them, which, as we see here, this one had kind of like a spike. And also here you can go and play all the way up to 50x leverage on the meme coins, which it is a little bit. We can go, for example, broccoli, which is the other one. I'm saying that this one, I'll call it, I think all of these are gone. So for example, with this one, we open a short. We will do I'm actually gonna put quite a high leverage, 24x short for this position. And let's see how far it goes. I think that the meme coin situation, it is, here we go, also minimum and open amounts, of course. So we can actually, let's go and stick with broccoli. Let's go and stick with Ethereum. Play it safe, like something everybody can do. But of course, this is no financial decision, no financial advice whatsoever. Go and do whatever you wish. And here we have the possibility. We got the perpetual, we got the spots, and all of them goodies. Completely up to you. As you see over here, close the position. Minimum open amount should be this one. So close the long, open the long, because you have the close and the long. Go to open if you want to start a new position, and simply evaluate what you want to do. And I'm thinking about a long, so click on the long, it get liquidated. If it goes below 2000, I get liquidated. So let's hope not. Then of course we can put a take profit underneath here, so you can simply go take profit. Don't show that again, and put your take profit whenever you want it. In terms of returns, we can go and put 100% return, and the take profit will arrive if the market price will be a little bit later on, so that is good to go. Following up, talking about the airdrop snapshot, the first one is the Stone Ethereum, StakeStone, as we see here. We've seen this, and this was one of those protocols where basically you will put your Ethereum to stake, and in return you have the S Ethereum, and you get an airdrop, and this is the airdrop. And as we see here, snapshot has been taken. So if you are participating in this a while back already, then you would be eligible for it. You will be eligible for it. And here we go, no second chances, no do-overs, do it again. So the airdrop allocation will come soon, the snapshot ecosystem and the allocation will be able to see tomorrow. Following up, we also have the Mint airdrop snapshot has been completed. So we got 2 airdrop snapshot completed. We did participate over on the Mint protocol, and the Mint airdrop checker and pre-deposit will be live tomorrow on March 1st, as this one was posted today at 8 a.m. UTC time. So we will go and check our allocation for this one, whether we have $100, whether we have $10 or $1,000, we will see tomorrow. Talking about the Soneium snapshot as well, 3rd snapshot taken of the day, and here we got the distribution of the OG bar. Now, when it comes to the OG badge, a lot of people participate. We got over 426,000 wallets are eligible. So what did they do? To reward loyal customer and loyal supporter of this one, they went and do the OG premium badge, which what does it mean? Well, this means that everybody that breached 1 Ethereum via the native bridge, at least 70,000 ASTR, equally 1 Ethereum via the Astor Network CCIP, or breach 2.5 thousand USDC via the native bridge will be rewarded this one over here, which of course deal weights everybody from the biggest one to the OG badge, which OG basically is like an area supporter contribution. Yes, you will receive an airdrop allocation for it. You will receive a little bit of a thank you allocation for it, but you're not going to receive the highest allocation as we thought, simply because there were so many people in it. And therefore, if you did participate with the OG badge, then you will receive the biggest allocation. And next but not least, we have the LINEA token generation event is delayed, and this is very important. Here, if we go to our MetaMask wallet, we can go and see, if we go over to the LINEA mainnet, we can go and see our allocation, because it is already here. We got the LINEA XP, the LXP, as we see here, I have 2,365. And you can go and check it for yourself by adding the contract address to the MetaMask wallet. And here we see that a minimum on LXP required will be enforced. This is to take away the bots situation, which basically interacted once or twice with the ecosystem. And we see here that holding less than 1,500 LXP is considered low activity and possible Sybils. This is something that it is not proven and not out as of right now, but it is taken in consideration. So if 1,500 LXP token is probably gonna be like $10, I don't think my allocation personally, then it depends with the LXPL, which I do have about 1.9 million of those, could be counted, but 2.365, it's already not a lot. So let's go and see if this Sybil thing is applied. Am I happy for it? I think so, yes. Why? Because it would take away so many people, which means that the allocation for myself and for yourself, everybody above the 1.5 LXP mark, it will be much higher and much more rewarding in terms of an airdrop ecosystem than what it is if there is no Sybil implementation. So this is just my point of view. But of course, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.